Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix CapCut lagging problem. So if your CapCut app crash when you are trying to edit projects, here's I'm going to find you a solution, some solutions. So the first solution is you can just go to the app info of CapCut. So long press on the CapCut in here until these pop up, or you can also go to the settings and find the CapCut apps, and here is the app info. So the first way is that you can go to the storage and cache and try to clear the cache of the CapCut app. So clear the cache, and you can try open the CapCut app again and try to add it. If you still have the same problem, you can just clear on storage, the clear storage in here, but after that you need to relog in to your CapCut account. So if your CapCut is still lagging, you can just first click on uninstall. So uninstall the CapCut app from your phone, and then go to the Play Store and install it again, and you can try to edit your projects again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.